Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the media section on your profile easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this Bluesky application and then go to your profile in the bottom right. Now as you see here, you will find the posts and the replies, and here you will find the medias on no posts yet. So that's it. That's how to find your media on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly, and that's it. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.